for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
So the tool this week is one of my favorites. I try to mix it up with Milwaukee and DeWalt, and this is the DeWalt version of the Milwaukee utility knife folding. I really love these things. They've really grown on me. I've never really used them, but they have so many cool features. There's like so much stuff in them. The blade fits in there really securely, and then it's really easy to change the blade with the little thing over there. And then I like the one-handed operation. That was the one thing I was really spoiled me, because you're able to just hold that button and flip it out kind of like a switchblade. And it's really cool, especially if you're like unpacking a bunch of stuff. You can be holding something in one hand and be cutting it open with the other. It's really awesome. Make sure you have your gloves on, of course. But it's one of those products that I think has become popular recently, and I really enjoy it. And like I say, I'm not saying the DeWalt one or the Milwaukee one's better, but I really like this as a standard tool for every electrician to have in their hip pocket. And especially if you're a foreman out there, makes it easy to open up those packing slips, check stuff out, and get boxes tore open real fast, and keep a sharp blade all the time. I think this one possibly holds 5. Don't quote me on that, but they actually have a compartment that holds extra blades, so that makes it nice too, especially if you're cutting a lot of drywall, because you'll chew those blades up in days. So
Yeah.
but yeah, that's my tool this week. I'm actually